Good morning, Bears. I'm Riley. Welcome back to BTV. Today is Monday, October 28th, and it's time to tour Brennan Theater's Haunted House, starting today through Thursday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Black Box in B107. Tickets are $5 at the door, cash only. Bring some extra money to grab some concessions while you wait for your turn at the House of Phobias. It's also time to celebrate Red Ribbon Week, starting today with the Drugs Don't Mean Anything to Me Day, and continuing tomorrow with Anything But a Backpack Day. This week is when we pledge to live drug-free and to honor the sacrifice of those who have lost their lives in the fight against drugs. As a tribute to fallen DEA Special Agent Enrique Camarena on Wednesday, it's Wear Red Day, and counselors will hand out red ribbons at the annual rally at the front drop-off loop. Now for Lady Bears Volleyball. Here's a huge shout-out to our Lady Bears team for officially clinching a spot in the playoffs. Cheer them on tomorrow for their last regular season game against Warren at 5:30 p.m. at the Harlan District Gym. BFND Ladies. Last week, our Bears and Lady Bears swim teams began their seasons. Both swim teams defeated Taft at the Mega Dual Meet last Thursday. Our teams set 29 personal records. Senior Elijah Bentley, freshman Victor Soberon, and sophomore Josh Bacelon placed first, second, and third at the 100-meter breaststroke. Keep on swimming, Bears. Seniors, remember that 100 of you have a chance to have your yearbook photo taken right here on campus at November 5th. There are limited spots, so look for the flyers with the QR code to sign up. Don't miss out on being in the yearbook. Bears, tomorrow take advantage of a college application workshop in the Career Center, A142, during all lunch periods. Be sure to bring your Chromebook. Also, come out tomorrow to support Cyberbear Club's fundraiser at Perry's Pizzeria, off the Calabria exit on 1604. Let the server know you are from Brennan or put Brennan Book Club into the notes for DoorDash and Uber Eats. And on Wednesday, let's also support Brennan Fashion during the Spirit fundraiser from 10:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. at Mod Pizza on Loop 1604. Be sure to mention BHS Fashion at checkout or use the online code MODGIVES25. And Healthcare Occupation Students of America members selected their officers for school this year. Congrats to HOSA President Jaime Gonzalez and Vice President Haley Newen, Secretary Isabella Nunez, Treasurer Hennessy Flores, and Social Appreciation Officer Zoe Aguilar. It's never too early for Christmas shopping. Save the date for the PTSA-sponsored Fall Festival on Saturday, November 16th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Brennan will host multiple vendors inside the cafeteria and food trucks outside the school. Scan the QR code on the flyers to see the vendors. Hope to see you there. Finally, let's highlight how Brennan CTE helps their EMT students engage. They spent last Thursday at Bexar County 2 Fire Department sharpening their skills in multiple patient care scenarios to include a bus accident. They were able to gain valuable first-hand learning on how to manage both medical and trauma scenes involving many patients. Way to evolve Bears EMT. This is all we have today. Don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Riley, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, and stay engaged in your learning and evolve every day. Have a great Red Ribbon Week.